Canada 1056 tower, line up for runway 35 right, ramps approved.
Wait on 35 right, you're running up for Canada 3, sorry, 10.
Air Canada 135, exit Delta 4, contact ground 12535 on off.
Canada 135, roger. Canada 10.
Air Canada 1056, contact departure, moment 98 when airborne, wind 350, 15 gets 20, clear for takeoff, runway 35 right.
Take off 35 right, Air Canada 1050.
WestJet 229, braking action reported good by all types, wind 350, 14 gets 20, clear to land, runway 35 right.
Clear to land 35 right, WestJet 229.
Immediate departure, and on departure, left turn, fly heading 315. Can 211, correct. 78052, exit Delta 2, contact ground 12535.
Delta 2, 12535, 78025. You're at 206, it's down 6,500. 6,500, 180.
Tower long course 3250 with you on the approach, 35 right.
Air Canada 211 reports the left turn, this frequency, wind 360 at 14, clear for takeoff for 35 right. Airspace 511, traffic on the roll with 360 at 14, quick land, 35 right.
35 right, airspace 511, thanks.
On course 3250, Calgary Tower number 2, about 5 miles to trail the citation, continue, wind 360 at 14.
Continue on course 3250.
Heavy exit to the left and contact ground 12535. Get it?
2525, got them 677. Ground hello, Echo, KLM 677 vacating 35 right, Delta 4.
KLM 677 heavy ground, good afternoon, second left, Bravo, hold short of Echo.
Taxiway Bravo, hold short Echo, KLM 677.
Heavy ground, turn right on Echo and then Juliet Romeo to the apron.
Roger, right Echo, Juliet Romeo to the apron, KLM 677.
677 heavy ground off correct. Remain my frequency all the way to the gate. I am doing apron as well. Once you enter, your discretion to gate 80 to report traffic.
Roger that, right on Juliet Romeo, stay with you, and stand number 80 Bravo, KLM 677.